couch. Yes. Hey.
What's up, dude?
So, bathroom?
Oh, first door on the left,
Okay.
hallway.
Oh, hey, what's the Wi-Fi?
The Wi-Fi network name is Atheon Stanky Cheese 44. Password is penis.
The S at the end is a $sign.
Oh, that's classy, huh?
Keeps anonymous at bay.
Yeah.
Oh, Jason, this is Victoria. Victoria, Jason. I live with him.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So, what are you doing today, man?
Wake and bake.
It's 3 p.m.
Right, I got it. Hey, Kyle.
Yeah.
Why don't you guys have doors on your rooms?
Oh. My door is the beer pong table.
Not the outside picnic table.
Yeah, did I mention that you guys are classy?
Once
I
or
think
twice.
Yeah, good. Just making sure.
Jesus, dude, I can smell that shit from over here.
It's pretty good stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, my buddy's got a medical hookup.
You know, Billy, I'm at work. He got some of that medicinal stuff at the dispensary, and I haven't seen him in days.
It must be some pretty good stuff, man.
Yeah. Maybe. You okay in there, Chief? Putting away these extra large condoms, 'cause I got a big dick. Dude, you look like shit. Whoa! Dude, what are you doing? Get down on my roof! Seriously, what are you... Whoa! Hey! You know I take this zombie shit very seriously. Dude, speak or I'm going to brain you! Get up! Off me! Nope! Fucking really?
Oh, so I know it's not very ladylike to say, but nobody go in there for like 30 minutes. It's bad, seriously. Whew.
Get him in the bathroom!
So, Jason's a zombie then?
Yeah, basically.
But you wish you had doors now.
I do have a door. It's on my bathroom, keeping out that ungodly stench your asshole created.
Hey, fuck you! I wanted to go to Panera. You're the one who said it was too expensive.
I'm sorry! I wanted a quesarito! Hey guys. Oh, sorry.
Oh, hey, what? Yeah.
Alex, Victoria, Alex, I live with him
Hey,
too.
we kind of got a zombie thing going on right now. So it's fine.
No, that sounds really great. I'm gonna get on Destiny real fast if you guys
how's
don't
the
mind.
dark below?
Ah, dude, the sparrow's now flipped. That's pretty much
Tumblr's
the
gonna
best
tumble.
thing. Yeah, Tumblr's gonna tumble. No, I haven't, because I can't find 6 people to
Get
bring
on
me
our
at the
fire
same
team.
time.
You can find a really good...
I don't want to get on the amp.
Yeah.
I'll help over here. That'd be great.
Hey, is it cool if I hit this?
Yeah, it's cool if I hit this.
Okay, here. I'll be back.
Alex? Dude, you look like shit. Oh, fuck. Victoria? I think I got a contact high. Damn.
I never should have moved to Colorado.